Hey, what's good, YouTube? This is the Sneaker Rehab coming at you with a review and a few pickups. So I know I've been gone for a while, but now I'm back. I'm gonna start making more videos. So I hope everybody had a good Christmas and a good holiday. Alright, so let's get into it. Alright, first up we have a Nike sportswear box and the regular Jordan box. Okay. First up, Air Foamposite 1s, and these are the cough drops. I really love this shoe. The shoe's a really nice shoe. Okay, so here they are. Give you a good view of them. Alright, so let's get into the review. So all this black around the shoe is this foam material, which is really nice. I like the quality on this shoe. And then in the front, you got your black laces with the red swoosh, and throughout here this is a nubuck material, same thing as the swoosh. You have the Penny logo with the black and red stripes going down, or red and black. Same stripes on the heel tab, and another Penny logo there. Got the Nike Air in there. This is a very comfortable shoe, by the way. Then this is where the cough drop comes in, because it's got like that translucent sole, carbon fiber hits on the side and two in the middle. Black bottom, very nice. These are my review on the Foamposites. I really like this shoe. If I haven't said it again, I really like this shoe. Really comfortable. It looks good with a pair of jeans too. Alright, so for this Jordan box, I have Jordan 13, Altitude 13s. These are really nice 13s. I like these. Alright. So here they are. I'm not going to do a review on these. I'm just going to, show them. Really nice. Hologram. Green and black bottom with a hint of silver. Carbon fiber. It's a nice shoe. I also have, I don't know where it is. Oh, there it is right there. I also have the red and white 13s, but I'm not going to pull them out because, everybody's seen them. Many reviews on them, So, yep. Those are the Altitude 13s. And I don't know, I like the Altitude 13s rather than the red and white 13s. I don't know, I think it's just the color, because I really have a lot of red and black kicks, or red and white kicks, so that might be one reason. So, no hate to the other 13s, they're really nice. I just prefer the Altitudes. Alright guys, so there you go. Now I'm going to show you what they look like on feet. Alright, oh, and I got these games, Assassin's Creed Brotherhood, Connect Adventures, Sonic Free Riders, and Connect Sports. If you want to play on Xbox, hit me up, the Sneaker Rehab. Xbox down there, Connect. Alright guys, so now I'm going to show you what they look like on feet. Alright.